Thank you, Chancellor, for those words of welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now the moment that why all of us are here, and that is for the installation of the second Vice-Chancellor and Principal, Professor Crouch. You might wonder why I'm saying second. The first is also here. He's sitting right next to me, Professor Ballim, and all of you would know him. Professor Crouch, I would now invite you to come to the stage. He is sitting as a guest for the moment with his suit, and we're now asking him to please come and please give a round of applause and usher him to the stage. Whilst he's making his way, I will also ask the Chancellor, Judge Majiedt, to rise and Owen to pass the gown to formally install Professor Andrew Crouch as Vice-Chancellor and Principal. You can clap again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Chancellor, and Professor Crouch, you may now take your rightful place on stage as Vice-Chancellor and Principal.